We departed Philippe Base West to proceed southwest and intercept the CV-22 Garmin. We immediately proceeded at full speed down to that position. We were initially instructed that the CV-22 Garmin was about 1,800 miles away from Fremantle. By the time we mobilised and came out to position, the rescue from the yacht took place about 900 miles from Fremantle.
We received a full medical handover from the treating general practitioner who was part of the racing team. Once we'd received that handover, we then transferred the patient into a litter and manoeuvred him up onto the deck of the yacht, transferred him down into the workboat and brought him back to MB Stoker. We assessed and stabilised the patient and then maintained him until we got back to Perth, where we could transfer him to definitive care.